Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your preferred units of measurement in the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Nike app. Here it opens up in the shop menu, but we have to go into the top left corner and tap on the three lines. And from here, we can go into settings on the bottom of the list. And here at the top, there is a unit of measure, this button. We tap on this. And then we can select if we want to use imperial units or metric units. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. But let me just show you again. Settings, units of measure, and here you can just select imperial or metric. So, bye.